Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. This is the second video of sheet metal design series in NX Unigraphics. In this video, we will see a tab feature in sheet metal design. So let's get started. First of all, we create a new sheet metal file and then click on tab. We can use a tab feature in two ways. First one is a tab with a base feature and second one is a tab with a secondary feature. We will see both of these. So first we will see the tab with base feature. Here we haven't used any tab feature previously in this file, so the only option available is a base. Now we have to create a sketch for tab. So click on sketch section and select XY plane. Close this profile menu. Select rectangle command and draw one rectangle like this. Go to rapid dimension. Give this dimension as 100 and this dimension will be 150. Now close this. Now finish the sketch. So the tab is generated of 2 mm. Here the thickness settings defaults from the part properties in sheet metal preferences. After clicking OK, it is completed. So here we have one use of tab. Now again we will click on tab command. So the secondary tab feature is already selected because we have used a tab previously in this file. So to use this, again we have to create one sketch. So click on sketch section, select the plane, select one rectangle and draw one rectangle like this and finish the sketch. So it will generate an extension for the previous tab. After clicking OK, it is combined with the previous tab. Now we will see tab feature with cutouts. So double click on this SB tab 1 and edit the sketch. Select a circle command. Draw two circles like this and finish the sketch. So automatically the two circles will be cut out from the rectangle. Also we can do this same with the SB tab 2. So double click over here, select the sketch, draw one rectangle inside this previous rectangle, finish the sketch and click on OK. So it is generated like this. So the tab feature can be used like this. Now we will see what happens if we select here base. So click on sketch section, select the plane and select the rectangle. Draw one rectangle like this. Finish the sketch. So here we can see that it will not merge with the previous plate if we select here base in place of secondary. Now click OK. So here we can see that the SB tab 3 differs from the SB tab 1 and SB tab 2. This is how we can use a tab feature while designing sheet metal objects. In the next video, we will see the flange feature. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.